head back and enjoy number 2. Alright, now you're back after round number 2, and it still looks pretty good, if not better than after the first one. Wonderful. Let's move on to round number 3 then, our special round. I don't know if you paid attention or got a glimpse of it, but if you participate, if you're nervous, I don't see any nervousness here, so it will help. Anyway, so put your arms out to the front and your legs up. Wonderful. I knew you're not nervous. Great, head back and enjoy. Alright, you did a fantastic job for our special round. That's why, of course, no question, get rewarded with one more round on top of it. And if you want, of course, again, with your arms and legs out. I have nothing against it. Just put your head back, that's really important. And enjoy the view, ladies and gentlemen.